This is a first for me, but here it is. It's our what's in my bag. I don't really use big bags like this too much these days, but for the past few days I've been using this because I've been bringing my planner, but whenever I don't bring, I use these small bags. So because of the pandemic, I've been using small bags and not my medium-sized bags because I wanted to minimize the things that I bring. So let's look through my bag to see it. Let's start with the pocket. In here, I put everything that's grooming. So I'm putting my sanitizer here. This is from Tambourines. As you can see, it's really so aesthetic. Tambourines hand sanitizer in 000. If you open this, it really smells like perfume because it's a perfumed sanitizer gel. I really love this. And with this one, I have another Tambourines product. It's here. Look, it's really so nice. This is the hand cream of Tambourines, but this time it's in another scent, which is 712. So I really love this. It's my favorite because I could take it out and still look aesthetic. And here we have our ponytail. I really need this every time. And I still have my Oxycure alcohol because it's really handy and I could bring it everywhere, especially if I'm not using a big bag. I'm just bringing this and removing this too. So there. And I have my wipes. I usually buy this mini wet wipes from Watson's because it fits in any bag, but the thing is it's not eco-friendly because it only has 8 pieces inside. So I don't know if I'm still gonna buy packs like this because I thought about how it was not so friendly for the environment to buy things like this. And next one, I think this is the last one, it's the mints. I always have mints in my... I usually carry this mint or mints that I get from Korean grocery. Now let's move on to the bigger pocket. So I think you heard what's inside already. It's my phone. I always have my phone with me. I got this case from Shopee because I really love the case of Joan Kim that looks like this one. And I'm so glad I found a case like this in Shopee that is for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Although, I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't really fit well. But I don't mind it being like that because it's not really a hindrance, so that's good. And next one is this one. The biggest thing in our bag is my planner. And guys, look, there's a sticker there because I got it scratched. So I placed a sticker there. And in my planner, I have my mood tracker. I don't want you to see all the moods, and I still have a few written because it's just the start of the year. And next one in our bag is this one. I always carry this one when I'm bringing my bigger bag. It's Silver Aid foaming wash. I really believe that hand washing is still better than just spraying alcohol, so I'm always bringing soap with me. And thankfully Silver Aid, it's a local brand here in Pampanga, carries this hand foaming wash. And guys, it really smells so good. I wish you can smell it, but there. You could order through their Instagram account, Silver Aid. And I have my wallet. This is a Coach wallet. I got this as a gift, so I've been using it for a long time now. I really want to change it, and I'm still waiting for the wallet that I ordered from Fennec Soul, but now I'm using this one. And next one, what can we get here? Oh, I have this because it's hot lately, so I'm always bringing this fan. It's from Miniso, guys. This is really so sulit. I think I bought this for $4.99, although it's kind of the pricey fan, but it really works so well. That's why it's sulit. And the next one we can get here, I think we only have 2 items left, or 3. Oh, I have my pen. I'm only bringing 1 pen every time so that I would sanitize little thing lang. And we have our glasses. This is from Sunny's, and this is my most worn glasses. As you can see, it's really dirty. So there. And next one, it's our last item in our bag. It's my Airpods. I really love my Airpods case. This is from my friend. She really knows me best. And look, it's so nice. Now, there. I think that's it. Yeah. That's it for this. What's in my bag? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. So guys, that's our video for today because it's the start of the week. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you tomorrow.